Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. After a gap of about 11 months, Indian Institute of Management Sambalpur Wednesday reopened its campus to students amid strict adherence to COVID-19 guidelines, a senior official said. The authorities, however, are not resuming physical classes immediately and has asked students to carry COVID-19 negative certificates and remain in isolation for 14 days after their arrival to the campus. The district administration ordered Wednesday afternoon to temporarily close Sun Hospital at Tulsipur area in Cuttack owing to the fire mishap that occurred on 1st of February. Two innovative urban initiatives of the state government have been shortlisted in the top 15 at the prestigious 2020 Guangzhou International Award for Urban Innovations Exemplary Models of Innovative Policies and Practices. The state cabinet Tuesday decided to construct integrated infrastructure complexes in all the districts in a phased manner as per 5T action plan. In the first phase, 10 IICs are taken up for construction, out of which 9 complexes Khordha Cuttack Puri, Kandhamal Sambalpur, Bhadrak Malkangiri, Ganjam and Nabrangpur are found from the state budget and the one in Sundargarh out of district mineral fund. The remaining 8 DMF districts will take up constructions of such complex expeditiously, while setting up of IIC in the remaining 12 districts will be taken up in the second phase starting from the financial year 2022 to 2023. The Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee Tuesday afternoon announced a statewide shutdown coming up on 15th of February to protest the rising prices of petrol and diesel in the state. PCC President Niranjan Patnaik said the bandh will be observed from 7 am to 1 pm across the state. We know that the decision will inconvenience the people. At least 4 buses and a sports utility vehicle were gutted after a major fire broke out in the wee hours of Wednesday at around 4 am at a local garage on NH16 near Dahani Gadia Chak in Bhadrak district. According to an eyewitness, a number of makeshift cabins located near were also gutted. The staffs that were sleeping inside the buses had a close shave in the incident as they managed to escape. The dispute over Mahanadi water sharing between Chhattisgarh and Odisha has seriously hit the implementation of 4 ongoing projects in the state, a report said. A Delhi court Wednesday adjourned to February 17 the pronouncement of judgment in the criminal defamation case filed by former Union Minister and veteran journalist M.J. Akbar against journalist Priya Ramani for accusing him of sexual misconduct. Attacking the centre over the new farm laws, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra told a rally in western Uttar Pradesh that if voted to power, her party would scrap them. After a Kisan Panchayat organized by the party in Saharanpur, the Congress General Secretary accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP leaders of insulting farmers who are protesting against the laws. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Odisha Post Live.